Hey guys, my name is Ting Fan, and today I'm going to show you how I share my thoughts and ideas into my personal learning network. PLN is developed primarily through social media sources such as Twitter, Facebook, and teacher's blog. I used a blog to share my thoughts of learning VoiceThread, Flipgrid, and screencast in my technology mini course. So I will work on my blog post on Microsoft Word first, then copy and paste on Blogger. Let me show you how to do it. So first, you use your Google account to log in. If you don't have it, just register one. So when you get in the Blogger, you just click the new post. You will see the blank page for you to type on. Just simply copy your work from Microsoft Word. So you copy and you paste on the blank page. Okay. So sometimes it happens. So if the image is not shown, you just delete it, and then you click on image icon, then you choose the files and you find the pictures, then you open, you add selected, and it will be on the pages, and you can change the size to small, medium, large. You can also adjust the font and the size of text, anything you want to change. And before you publish, you can use a preview to see if anything needs to be changed. And if it looks good, then you can go back and then publish. Here's my post about Module 1. I shared some fun activities that teachers can use in VoiceThread. In Module 2, I learned how to use Flipgrid, and I am planning to use Flipgrid in my future Chinese class. I can ask students to record their comments, and this is a great tool to make students engage with the class. Let's go to Module 3. In Module 3, I shared about using screencast, which is what I am doing now. I can walk viewers through my works. This tool is really useful, and Screencast-O-Matic is a free screen recording. You can record full screen up to 15 minutes. Finally, I'm going to develop new connections. I use Twitter to share my blog post. First, you will have to log in your Twitter account. So right now, let me log in my account first. I copied the link from my blog post. Then click the green button, tweet. You type something you want to type. Let me type screencast post, and then you copy and paste the link, and then you just click tweet, and it will be on your wall. And personal learning network are all about sharing, collaborating, and learning from each other. You share your blog post and wait for more people to connect with you. When people connect with me, it gives me confidence that what I am doing, and I also learn from them. Thank you for listening my PLN Evidence. Hope you have a great day.